Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Abeg, if today na una first time wey una dey watch this my channel, make una no forget to subscribe, to like and to press the notification bell so that anytime when I upload video e go dey sound for una phone kpakam. And for this my channel, we dey upload everyday the latest aproko, the latest gist in town. So guys, anytime wey be say I upload, make una come dey join me, okay? So I go dey see una, make una bye bye oh.
They talk.
He say your husband say make go start a road work.
Yes, he thinks say I don't know what he thinks say they bring our quarrel.
How many children? How many children you get for him? How many children you get for your husband?
They tell me like that, say he wants make I go do road work.
But how many children you get for your husband?
I get 2 children for her.
2 children. Now your husband say make go back to road work.
Yes, I get 2 boys for her.
You are from where?
I'm from Isha.
Your husband is from where?
He's from Delta.
Delta ma.
Yes.
He not love you. If he tell you say make go roads, he not love you. Or maybe he get what you do one. Where he go tell you say okay if not
My husband really dey nice. He really dey nice. He do everything for me, but I don't know what always they bring this quarrel. I have tried all I could, avoiding everybody because of him, avoiding my family. But yes,
wait. Not be too often I said today before yesterday.
Yes.
But your husband tell me say now your mama. Your husband tell me say now your mama say make go road work. Now what did he tell me?
Big lie. I know say they watch you now. That's not big lie. He just wants a way to explain things to you.
Where he say your husband they call you every day 2 times say you don't want again.
Yes, that's not big lie. So I tell him say instead for him to tell me say make I go road work, instead for me to do that, I go stay there for here. They wait till when he calm down. I come, but if he still not calm down, I will still be here waiting.
How many times your husband don't tell you say make go road work?
I cannot count. I cannot count.
Even when you deal with her for inside bed, they still they tell you.
Yes.
No cry. My brother, you dey online because you dey follow me. How can you tell your husband, your wife may go do a shower? Wife will born 2 children for you. Is it a place for you when you want to do the ashawo? You don't find the place for you.
You don't find anything for me. Oh.
Now, where you want to go do the ashawo? Jamie?
I did France.
I know where you want to do the ashawo. Now, France, you have been where?
I don't know, but I know it because I never do. As I call it the first person when I deal with. And I deal with her, I never visit somebody else. Even if they use me, they set me up for phone. And they see after nine they do. I don't ask her many times. If you don't want me again, tell me. Because I never cheat on you.
Which kind of thing be this one? After 2 children?
The children deal with her.
No be now your husband sees your children now. Be not be you with her. Now I settled 2 of una yesterday now. You not sleep there again.
Did, but yesterday, yes, I did sleep. Yesterday, he told me I go back.
Yes.
He told me I go back because he asked me for money. I said I don't get money. He told me I come out. He pushed me outside.
Your husband asked you money, say me give her money.
Yes, he said me I borrow money. I said I don't get.
How much he said me you borrow?
He said I give him 50 euros. I said I don't have.
True, you not get?
I don't get because my sister He don't ask me for money. And me, I day alone. I don't get food for us. I need to buy things. I explain to her. But he just vex.
How can your husband tell you say may you go do a shower? May you wait. I get it number here. Wait. If you're not Benin person, I go say na so Benin may abuse here. My brother, if you are watching me, I never believe because your husband tell me say na your mama. Now he say me go do a shower.
It's a lie. He say my mother they call me too much. My mother they call me too much. Okay, because of that I stopped. I tell my mother, even they write me this evening, tell me my mother they try my number. I say make she not try my number again because my number no fit go for her again.
Okay, now how many your husband number end? Now 06 Abi? Now it end.
End with 10. 510.
510. Make I find number.
I'm there for WhatsApp.
May you hold on. Oh, now wait. Hi, Jesus. My husband, a very responsible man. Brother, we pick a call. Hello, brother. He said, brother, what? Really, here. I told one ever so can wait because I was surprised him. Mujane, brother. What a man of Bashawo.
Because of the way
what can one you know to man of Bashawo?
Yes, more time.
Where was your brother?
Not here, eh? Again, I'm like, now. But me, friend, only more really, Wuriga, Madame Momo, you know what Madame a day or as well. You know, I say, Wuriga, you know, another more idea. A dear, you know, the more they will be another paying again. Before, when document, if you never get document, you go the stock affair. The period with people, you know, when they rest.
Okay.
They go marry you. They say, I go marry you. Now, woman, go to join them. You go to join people. Now, after they say, yeah, now let you go carry cookie or you go to a shower. Now you say, get that kind of money, go to give your people.
Okay.
Now, tell her, God help the thing. He no one follow me. You want to tell him, where I did Italy, follow me the plan. That will say, he said, get document for Italy. Everything is okay for us. Now, me follow this one plan, get document for Italy. I carry our contract for one, go commission for Italy. I carry our contract, of work for one. For a year. I do operation where they give me 10 years because after I like the story. If people want to know what I say they get documents for a year, if people the author, as people the author, if people will send the IEB, you know they send the IEB. They don't let me the rest. They send me the pack of the money where they give me the pack of the money. What they make me collect this children for a hand, I need to go to school. He don't finish school. My kids there money when they pay my kids, they want to go give the family.
Give the family. Okay, now make you collect the children from her.
Yes, because
okay, now the way family they disturb her, now make you tell her say me go to a child so that I can make the pack money give the family.
Make go see money go give the family. Because in my mom they call her 5 times every day for my house. I go tell her, you know the year. After they talk, if I find my mom, they call me.
5 times in a day.
Me and the family, they don't, senior brother and daughter, they don't do everything by us, make sure they kill me. Now God just saved me. Because I know the fact, na me cannot do a shower, na me cannot do a shower, na me cannot follow black boy, na me cannot, but as it come, it may where people the last week now, I carry you. I said I go build up to my state. Now I say build up to my state. I build just up to my state. Even if I call, I go tell social. Even I call, I go tell social. He don't call for me 3 times for this one. The last one to police come, like I don't even get documents. You know the thing now, this paper where I get where I show police, the person might go sleep outside. This woman, if people get now small people, the people get ask her, make it call and give me ask her and say, I don't ever call her plan any plan where never something.
How old she be?
28 years.
And you come?
I be 34.
34. But if not, I'm a settle wife, Vavinetian, and I will not be a kenuje.
Yes, because again now, it's not soon. Not that you go because I have a daughter in Nigeria, 50 years.
Okay.
If I not said to tell the Nigeria, the bring some money come for him, I pay for years. I can't pay the money. I'm not going to get too much money again. I can't say if I go pay for him now, money no dey mind again. I can't say make I tell wait. Because him I go pay and say I don't pay go. He say go give me for his time. I tell him this one not give me in your own way. Say go give me.
It can't be 50 euro.
50. No, you're not giving me money. You don't TikTok. When I want to say, why you not give me the money? Say me I go pay. So why you not give me your own way? He said me say that I will give my daughter for Nigeria. He say if you keep away there, me never take over. Me go take over all day for Nigeria. Now then for tell us say. I can't that was very. I go see my pikin where I go, me no take off. Who be the papa? You want me my pikin go do prostitution? You want my pikin go be papa dey alive? Make I not pay my pikin school fees. Make pikin not chop. Because if the woman, the one take off for the fantasy take off the whole Nigeria, all of my children. The one take off this one, take off all of them.
Yes, all of them.
This woman make me? This woman, the people they want to do with me. Now prove, let me tell you all. Now make her, you know, to carry me go court because I get proof of everything. Go court and defend us.
Okay. Okay, if you carry you go court, you go win now because you get proof.
Yes, if you carry go court, you know, say I get proof. If you carry go court. Now make her, you know, carry me go court. If you carry go court, we give the children to government or they give me the children. Me, I cannot leave my children for any woman to use my children's destiny to a family. Two of us to take off our children. If you not agree, government to take off the children.
Okay.
Then you go enter street, I go enter street. So, what is happening? After this girl come me, then since he enter Europe, then I come to the class and I take career. From there, I start to the airport, they come. Even the first one, the airport, if people come, because I never go defend them, at the airport, people come, they thank me. Mama, you need to get document for this country easy.
Not easy. Now, if family want just scatter this marriage, you go not go free.
Then they give this girl. If I talk to them, I like this girl story. Now me for my friends everything. Only that document you know what I do for this girl. This girl know they give them to respect me.
Yes.
This guy too. I tell her, but if you tell her say it's not so do it's the younger sister they talk now. The mama don't tell her go this thing. Say call her they say in your younger sister don't go for you. They can't go this country now as we talk now.
Mama doesn't want to go Africa country.
May go pay Africa country, may go pay 3 million. My dad don't carry that one come out now.
May go do ashawo.
May go do Ashawo
3 million naira.
for Dubai.
For Dubai.
After they talk now, this my woman now, he carry that matter for head now. He carry that 6,000 for Dubai matter for head now. I never get document. As if when they pay me for when they pay me more, with the people there for people that are the help people, are the help them, the day for program, the help them. Make it come, make it out, make it talk. If I want some money for my if I want some money for my daughter, this one is not the thing. Because it's not a problem. But if I want some money to give the people, it's not the talk. I dey send money go dey give the people, but e no dey talk. Because why pikin wey I born, you go say na send money for am. You if na so you talk of man go fit sleep. But people make me send money give my kid. I wan carry my daughter come here. I wan carry her come here.
Okay, you wan carry her come France?
The same as they keep the food.
Okay.
Now make her see that the receipt where I send money give my daughter. The same as he know say that I keep tell am. So that the case I go for, they will show things like picking. The property is take off until they send money for that. I think the social tell us to make it, they say they pay me every month 160 for per one picking. Now they pay me. I think they now that they tell people for Europe, man, take off your children, man and woman are 50-50 for Europe law for concerning picking. I think then now, if you're ready to calm down, we will stay together. If you're not ready to calm down, everybody will go. But my children, I know will give them my children. If you let me grab the open, I know will give them. I know. I can take care of picking very well. I know will give them.
Okay, now. Okay, now. My brother, we may settle why Ivana. What you will request here, Zona?
My picking, my old picking. You send me no piece of money for my picking.
You know what we best zona we know then.
Wait, you send me no piece of money for my old picking. You know for the apple. And they tell us these children. Now what picking I bought for them? These children, this is brother so they don't have blood. If I take off this one to go now, this one can, if maybe I'm not here, this one can help his brother. It can help his brother. They can help each other. They are being the same from me. You are depreciating my children when I'm alive. Who are you to depreciate my children?
Okay, now, as the children there with you, now who they collect the children money? Now you?
Everything, but me, if it does start work now, it will call the pay for 150 years, they pay me 150.
If she don't start work, she go come they pay you 150.
No, for 150 years, they pay me 150.
Two go be 300.
320.
320, she go they pay you.
Yes. The loan are 50-50. If there's no tell everything, you know. If you not pay, I can't go court go decide.
You know, carry and go, I beg.
Make I see here, if you never take off the education, if not see won't take off your family or your sister for Nigeria. Work together, let's try together. You go to work, I go to work. We'll take off children, you say no. You won't do it. Well, I'm not telling you conference here. You really sure you won't betray me. Now look at this girl. When we continue to say they go back, if they go back to Italy, he say what go do Shoro. I tell her patient. Now patient. Now you not spend when we come here, we not spend which 2 years before they give us 10 years.
I beg. Now beg. I want to beg you. I beg. We're not supposed to understand each other. I beg. That road work, where you tell us, me go to a shower.
If I don't watch you, this one go tell me say, if you say, you go say, I'm not watch you. Now you go tell me say, I'm not watch you.
She gonna tell you, say me, you know they watch me.
Yes. How come?
You see her.
I tell her, say, you dey give us advice, not to make mistake.
You.
No, I can't just come up for here now. He doesn't know me now, because they watch you. As they watch you now, because it's true, he say they watch you.
Hi.
Now what do you see for it? Now what do you see for Europe? Also, my wife now 50-50. Last time we take from men, they not feel start picking papa. They not feel bad picking. You go leave everything for your wife. Anything you see, you go bear them.
Okay.
The way woman take off picking, and so much take off picking. For Europe, yeah, now woman say they see work fast man. Go look at them, so women they work. But for you, our men, they don't want. They will say, no, your mama don't want me to talk to my picking. Your mama don't talk to my picking. If they didn't picking, you feel bad. You feel bear papa.
Now the children now where you collect from her, how old are they?
One day for 2 years, one day 3 years.
You want to take care of them?
Oh, you know what I can do. You know what I can do.
2 years old baby.
Before social, I fight with social. I fight with social. Before social, they know my capacities. They know what I will do.
Jesus Christ.
People when they talk, people who know me, if they hear about me, they will tell you.
The way you they talk, you tell nice.
And they cook. And now they cook, and they do everything for us. If I fight for video call, I go see my house. I don't clean every time. I don't watch. I clean everywhere. I don't cook jollof rice. I don't cook stew. I don't cook everything for his house.
2 years old picking. You want as a man, but you as you be so you know if you walk, you know if you walk again.
I feel work. Why not feel work? If I drop them for class, I'll drop them for class. I'll drop them for school. They are going. I they go to school.
You can't go your school.
I they go to school. I they go to school. After for time, if I want, because they go Monday afternoon, I go send it to me look this children. This man go they complain. For you know children again. If I send you video with this man talking not to take off the key, it's supposed to be lesbian. You not go believe.
She said she's supposed to be a lesbian.
Yeah, he said he's not supposed to be a mother. I have everything you talk, so I have the proof.
How can a woman go just talk say not supposed to be a mother?
He said not get woman's person. I get the proof, I get everything.
You see?
If I can't give judge only that for judge, make it now judge who judge won't give us the speaking.
So you get the proof. When she they talk and you record down.
Mama, I say all those are small proof. Our women we say there's a big pursue make more for us, make the call pursue more for us. Okay. If I did, if my person, if women like this, they for like me for Europe, women all women for the sake of mouth. All women for the sake of mouth. If you don't want to sell mouth, let them go do anything you want to do. It go they pay me, make it go they work, they pay me.
Yeah, so now she work on they pay you. So after now, you go call the answer single father. Hey, brother, where do I want a single father? Because he got paid. No one will be a single father.
I don't think the single father. It doesn't make
okay, you okay, you don't let him be single father.
Because the picking, if I leave the picking for me, I go the piano. I go the piano, it go there to the enjoy. they will pay am, cars go dey pay am pikin money. Me go dey pay am that money join. But only I go dey like my pikin never reach 3 years and they go pay they pay that one every month separate. Then me go still, if I dey work now, still pay that one join am. You know what you go dey collect every month. If you collect only that money, you no go dey work. If people go dey enjoy for us, then me go dey for suffer. I go dey suffer. Now make I do my cost from here.
I beg. We want settle two of na brother. What matter? Where you love her, yeah. I think we follow where if there is a marriage. I have settled a lot of marriage in this program. Where you love her, yeah, matter.
The problem is that if I tell her, you know, ask her, only the question where me ask her if you know me, I don't ever come apply anything when not work for her. If I tell her, say, that's how I want this person to be. That's how I want her. If you call the follow me, they do like that, move at the age, make yourself, I'm not going to like her. I'm not going to like her. I'm not going to like her at all. I don't be oppressor. Mama, you don't decide to make man. You know, I say, you work with me for house, now we do our house, cook you, everything. I'm not they say, at the point for the work, like, send me the 5 documents for you, like, send me the 5 copy for you. I need to go carry food, I need to go do everything.
Okay, now, may you listen. Okay, listen, I want to ask one question. Hold on. Hello, my baby.
Hello, ma.
Just listen. You still love your husband, yes or no?
If a woman too like man, no problem. Let me do so. So nobody go ask me whether I like him. Now they need to ask this time because I have tried. I think he don't judge now. If he judge like this for court, I think he go win. But in respect to protect my children, if he wants to take me to court, I will be ready because he got a proof, a lot of proof, but I got just one proof for him. But in the protection of my children, what I want, if he wants to eat money, any money he wants to eat, let him eat. Because I also like to work. I want money I work for.
Okay, now you want make a settle two of una? You want me to settle two of una, Nana? May you go take care of your 2-year-old baby.
You feel settle us, but you are not his family. I think I know in a family that they say family night they marry a woman. If his family don't recognize woman they want to marry, how is it marriage? I have tried. I don't know how you feel to settle this issue, but I have tried.
Hello, brother. Were you in love her, yes or no?
Mama, you as I did so, me not there for it don't say where I don't love.
Okay, you not love him again.
Waiting me careful. I don't get love for any woman. Waiting me careful. I care for we dey together take care of our children as a husband and wife. If you say no, if you say no, they can go in and do my own. If you say he get proof, I can get proof, so we'll go court. The pikin I don't believe for him. He not believe for me. Government will take over. Two of them will enter straight.
No, it not go happen like that. It's better me if you not so may you take care of her. No. If government collect and those children go, they not go eat better food, they will come to no. I don't want to make kunaka. If not so, thank God say where she dey not far from your place. You go come to see her children. They're there with their papa, now still the same family will be. Or mama na guera or so or mommy. Okay? No, it's better than we have your government. We ma only what police ye case now. I don't want make police enter. If you don't want they together again. Because now you don't clear and now say you don't love again. But you want make una take care of the children as husband and wife. My beautiful baby, you understand now? I mean you don't want to like that. You want marry?
Me, I want to stay with a man, but he don't want to stay with me. He don't want me to stay with him.
Hello, brother. My best statement is not giving now. Only a total K when you only a marry. Ah, brother.
Mama, you again now, if I tell you like, me, I know this their condition. I be there and they come. This guy need deliverance. When you are to deliverance, only the deliverance. I'm going to tell you so. I told myself, oh, Maria will go for deliverance. We'll go for deliverance.
Or disrespect you, or yes or no? Or disrespect you.
All disrespect in there, I thought you would be no issue.
But yeah, disrespect you, I tell they disrespect you.
They disrespect me like say, Mutana mate.
You gotta talk to you like say una be mate.
Like say that we talk for the drag. If I talk to see what say, if I reach the case for this woman say for 2 seconds, it's not go agree. No, go they call me.
Okay, if you leave the children for her, she not fit take care of the children where? Like the way you go take care of her.
If I talk clear, make it talk. If I talk clear, if I need to keep for this woman, as a man, I'm not going to go outside and stay with my friends. Make it discuss for 1 hour or 2 hours. This woman don't call me. This woman don't call me.
Oh, well, go just cause me call house.
If I not come, if I use force, if I not come, if I reach out, now they are not comfortable for me.
You not call the quarrel.
If I talk to this woman, this woman go stay for Domot. They go stay for Domot. They go want make neighbor call police. If the neighbor not call police, go call police.
I cannot force you, my brother. As you say, you not love him again. What thing I go do? I want to make she start to do my prayer points. Let's see how things go work out. You know? But may police not enter this case. I beg you in the name of God. She know what to do as a mother. If she start to the work, not collect money from her.
This matter too. Police don't enter.
But now police not there again now. As soon as be, so police not there.
He can't carry my phone from my house here. Wait 2 days. He can't carry the phone. I tell him the phone come. He not do the phone. Now something go police job. Go tell that police collect the phone for him and leave. Police the court say may not they call this as again, but I also as police of may not they call this as I still live on. Make it the
police don't wanna say may not they enter where children day again.
Police say no theater this house. If you want to tell you, we'll go court, we go talk to where you go to see children.
Jesus. She will be woman.
Not be by woman, not be by woman. Europe now 50-50. Woman will not be by woman, Mama Yoli. If you know your right, not be by woman. Europe now 50-50.
Jesus.
Woman not by Europe. For anything concerning speaking now 50-50. As the city go more than what they do with me, I let you look there, they do with me. If the woman say what kind of pikin, the woman told the pikin for belle for 9 months. If the woman say, okay, who find out to carry pikin? It goes the person may not make papa not see. Now, as you get that like to declare may not see the pikin, so you will see you will carry civil government, make go consider with government, make talk about this here, make it see how they grip for body. Make it see the pepper where they grip for body. If you can declare papa may not see the pikin, then make go see declare they not to see the pikin. The government will carry on. The two of us will go street. Our two, you know, okay.
Here I mean.
Yes. Because my pikin make me dey suffer for my life. I'm not getting what I suffer for.
You just need the money.
What I want to tell you now, if she start to the work, not collect money from her, my brother. We are all one. As a mother, she know what she's supposed to they buy, can they give her children. Say you want your fees and make sure they pay you €300. May you not do it. Yeah? I bet just because of the love you have for her. Remember the time when you take toast time.
Oh, I'm not here to see. You can see what they do for this country. woman will get CDPK, 4 for 1 month. They hear me, my
I dey hear you, my brother.
Then-
The thing just weak me.
Then,
I dey hear this thing before. This thing na lie. I don't know say woman dey pay man for Europe.
And to push the man to money, the man for the work, the man for the cook before picking. They pay the man 1,000 naira, the man will pay for your house, will pay for before picking. How the man will take out to say? So my, that time I never pursue.
Yes.
That time I never pursue.
Yes.
I was talking every day, so there are men who they take off their picking the way their woman will take off their picking. When they take off, the way they take off their picking. Because not people now, only woman, not their picking. For you, okay, if your wife not well, now who will take off the picking? Not you go take off your wife, take off your picking.
Yes.
So I mean, they don't know that one. They go say na woman.
Okay, now my brother, I want to ask you one question. Ogelera wori onu ami 300 euro tamata. Oga sun wina.
Oh. No, I mean, I don't collect. I don't take a table. I go work. Me am na.
Oga dukun okay.
I go work. Me appreciate students for that balance. Yeah, by a class. Me am na. Very soon, on the no like you all join my.
Okay.
Why do
Yo.
I have daughter. My daughter is 15 years. 15 years now again. Okay, imagine the same will be my own daughter. Maybe I cannot train my pikin. Maybe my pikin. Okay. After, if I'm not train my pikin, tomorrow my pikin come to my shower. They're not open. Now maybe useless of her. The people who they are the back on. The people who they are the take off. The people who they are they do everything for them. Only the fair alone and the carry they go to the carry they do everywhere alone. I know they work for that one. Only my one say me down. You are telling me not to send money to my old daughter. Who is that person?
This matter, I don't even know I want to settle on because you say no love not there again, but and she said she still love you. She want to stay with you. Ah, brother, what give any here? Ah, okay, to no no.
The problem is that let me tell you the truth. If you come with me now, this is will collect her. You know I will collect me children. It doesn't go report for social.
Okay, she don't to over report you to social.
Yes.
Now social can't separate to a funeral like this.
It doesn't report to this social. What is the social not do before? Social won't give us the children. Then they'll collect the children for him because of the mistake where he made.
I don't know. Say
when he said to say, "No one collect the kid," so that's what they follow in the fight him.
If
they like that, me for say to say me, because I get you a passport in 10 years. I tell her say, if you are fighting, you are fighting you European Union. You can't do me nothing. You are fighting me, you are fighting European Union. When I tell her that word, now it's clear. Because I'm not European Union passport, the passport, I'm not free. If you are fighting the European Union, after I did that, that's social, not the one, not the two, not the three. All of them do against me. They tell me they shop away, like a kid. They not say, what are you saying? What can I make me not shout? Make me not shout. You say to some people tell me, say, how much they pay me for every month.
okay. My brother, I understand you. May you wait. Hello, my baby. You cannot force a man may marry you. What I go advise you?
I cannot force him, but Mama Yole,
Yeah.
I think all he has to say is because he won't carry me go court. If you want to take me to court, I think.
Una not they go court. Not talk of court. What I want me will talk now.
Mama Yore, because this man got my nakedness on his phone.
He say he go show the side they crazy. But then, when they discover I'm not crazy, what can you do me reach when naked me? I think you'll be able to explain it, eh?
But brother, we're gonna a picture of nakedness, okay?
This man.
Hold on. We're gonna nakedness a picture, okay?
When this guy come for Italy, this guy say because of say no receive money. Now people have to make it go do work. This guy say he won't go back to Italy. He say if I don't let him go, he go jump follow window. This guy naked, he won't just follow window.
Now you video am.
Mama, you are dead. I say this guy, if I go
I don't want the cat to be a little job when I video
what did they don't do? They go problem. I'm not cause problem because I don't know how tomorrow will be. Tomorrow come is now, maybe at tomorrow now. Maybe I'm not well, maybe I don't feel like my own, I don't go show them one type thing. Maybe who all carry picking? That time I still go lost.
Okay, maybe what's up, brother? Hello, you hear what your husband talk? Hello, when we not that from where now?
I'm not the hearing.
You hear what he talk? Say you talk, say if you know, you say you want to go back to Italy, if you not go, you want pass window, now make you naked.
Jesus Christ. That time I just born. I did 1 week when I born. Me not remember what happened then. Now you come tell me, you say my parents send me I can't do a shower. And that is the worst thing where I go hear the person tell me. Because I've never tried that thing when they talk so. Not touch my parents again. Not talk say my parents because they did not send me to this. Now my husband take talk say okay, if not my parents they will send me. Then my papa, my mama and they tell me say me I can't use my to do a shower, me I can't give them the money. Now it's nice dress me to if you tell me this word again, I'm going to kill myself because this way they talk na lie. After he don't beat me finish, he can't begin to after I can't fight some but now he take a info, he can't video me. This case so is so social for France here. What happened for Italy? And this speaking when they drag so when it's speaking they 5 months for my belly denier. He talk about public say I carry bastards when I don't know who gets. I wish that speaking never reach. I for abort him. But because I never know that I'm going to stay with us, he goes like this. Lawyer, that matter, the lawyer tell me for Italy, say, if he return this word again, then he will show him what it means to say a word like this in Europe. And today he's dragging the child is my own, the child is my own. Because of the money. All the money when they expect this speaking for Italy, ask him where he gave. Plus my own. I assist this man when I come. Go rich now. You want to eat me? What do you want me to do? At the end, you work like a woman to say, I'm enticing you. How can you entice me? If you don't love me, you can't entice me. Because I'm the one who loves you. You're just forcing me to stay. Say the truth. It's very clear. Stop allowing me to tell somebody, don't talk to me. I'm married. If you are not ready to be with me, if you don't want me to stay with you, don't allow me to stop somebody for talking to me. I have shown a lot of people because of this man. And yet, this is the result.
It's okay.
If he wants to take me to court, let him.
No court. What's in me and what? And I make you relax. I will give you prayer points. So you go to see your children for weekends. Okay? You can even sleep there if you two of now understand. You can go there on Friday, you come out on Sunday. Okay? Don't worry, everything will be alright. You hear what I talk? Everything will be okay. Don't worry.
This man knows, say, my family, they want me, say, anything robo. And when I did Nigeria, now these people now avoid pass. But when I enter this place, I still have to say, what is the meaning of that? I have to be, even when you tell me it's not robo, okay, no problem. We'll be together. And now this is just the truth. Like this, like I tell my sister, when you still robo, run for 40 because this means that man is face to face. Eh?
He not be robo, na he na bini na.
Now robo man he be. Which bini is from robo.
I don't know.
Okay, say na bini grow up.
the football now. Now, his father is not from Benin.
Don't do me one region. The thing just touched me. I don't even know how I want to settle now. But God will give me solution. Thank God say I get your number, I get your number. If any problem there, may you they call me, not call social again. Because social and police too. Not call them again, we go settle around. Yeah? May you relax. Not carry this matter to your family again. Brother, you too. Not tell your family anything. We go settle around. Changes go there. No disrespect you again. Okay? The problem I wrote here, me private number, me yaru we, my way are line now.
The problem is that as you know here now, social, it as double time social example, even if I come back now, they will also with the quality of confidence, the children to stay with us. If I don't want to stay with each other, because here why they don't have from 6 years I did. If I don't come up for a year, I don't lay maximum 6 months or 5 months, they'll take me my whole personal with the answer.
Okay.
If I don't from there, we see to get from the color of our come up of this city. If we go down to not go down to share again. But now I go down to share.
Okay.
They can come up down to share, and we will see this if we change. If we change, we'll get together. But if you not change, I don't think we can.
Until you are now, my sister.
Only one want to take off the kid.
Okay, it's not 12 now. Go take care of her. We know now.
I don't go for say make up any money. I don't go for anything. I think work. For me, I don't work for person because I don't get documents. But if my son has to work, he go to work. He will take off his family. I will take off my family. When you want to say I call the work. You go there, my family, I will work, my money will try to give your family. I will not accept that. I will not accept that. It's not me to do that one. Because it's not me to do that one. That means I have to go to other country and look for document. I cannot go to other country and look for document because document is very difficult. Then, anything that want to happen because I cannot, I don't know how to keep it. Two of us take off the picking, as husband and wife, the children, and two of us take off, and you take off. If you go to work and they go to my work, take off your paper, take off my face. If you carry out the brick and brick out for the house, you get your people, I don't mean to take off your family. If your people see me for to give them, one thing may not give you. But not the one you say, you want to know, you want to collect children from my house, maybe because they work for you, make children do with you. I will not affect them. If I need to give children, I give children to government.
Because of money.
Wait and reach. If wait and reach, I collect children from government. My minister say the taker. That's why I can give you. Because as I say now, I dey for big house. Because only one now, they give us place now. That place of man of theater, woman of theater. Let me tell that place me for them. And that place me for them now. I wish not be saying I see that again. So, you want to cage me for one place, then you will go for place, you carry maybe 30 costly, 30 nothing costly for two.
Nobody is caging anybody. You want the children.
I'm not the problem, my own. Not the problem.
Okay.
The problem is, if I don't come for you, if you change, we'll do together. But if you continue with that family problem, for me, I don't think I can carry it.
Hello, hold on.
If you won't be down,
Yes.
I tell her if you won't be down, but I need to talk now. I think you won't be down. You go be if you want to won't be down, you go be down for yourself. You go use the king say be down. All you need. Then if he don't maybe like that kid get the house. He say we go be down for papa. When you will be second last born. The first person will say we go be down for papa. If the papa die, who get the my senior brother the house?
Yes.
Now I say, most of you don't want. Okay, if your papa die, who get the senior brother get the house? What highest thing is to do? If be that your father or mother get the house, but the house, the documents of the house will be your name. You let them know say now you get the house. He say na lie. He said like that. As me tell her, I need to senior stuff for my mother. All my young mother, all of them get money, they don't do that for my mother. Because they don't say that now me get the house. They don't say that me get the house. Because if you beat on my family has to go beat. I'm not saying not take off the family. But you go tell me move to this house, you say you won't do that for your papa. If you get money, you do that for your papa, not saying not beat. But don't be your first house, you want to salary.
Thank God say you did social hand. Now wetin me and settle two of na for. My sister, go to see your children every weekend first. If you go there, no quarrel, do cleaning, play with your children. If you want to sleep, you sleep. If you don't want to sleep, you go back to your house. See, when una go understand una self well. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
You'll call me tomorrow before 12. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
God bless you. Don't worry, everything will be all right. In the name of Jesus.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, good night.
Hello, brother. A comment. As a comment here, one. As a comment here. You want to comment to my yeah. So every what forget to comment. On my mind, one back one. Come.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah. Iye calling now I miss you. Atu wa bere no so no wa go. The market na kesu na. Hello, God bless you.
Hello, Mama.
Hello.
I probably
Listen. Go site where.
He can call his life with you, but me, no. Yeah, quite because I can now when I'm going. If I am a regime, I won't baru. But say not going. Opiani on my done. On my done, because Opiake do a record or maybe warrior. Opia guafu. But in the cabana, mammy no make a sense who go where I ego, the or I'm work in Nigeria. On your rubbish. Okay, Opia beer. Open in my biome van the army season. Do get paying me be. Von your jaria, your mama son. And your son. Okay,
Wanyanyajo. Ya se to yin wanyanyajo. Won mama wa ganyanyajo ya se to yin.
Mama, it's my nyanya because in the anytime no hair frustrated kudu or she. Because mother frustrated away, but now you love. So that's the 10 years near, honey. 10 years, then I will hearing no one. Udo ago we making me about making the near Kuveno Heki. Do do Gabigu. Obama Opiani Emma. My mother that's not setting him. When no what no hair money. Then, in your hair for no. Oh, then maybe I do settle him. Opiani done okay, you know, Cabana. You might love any woman. Ubi because
I go me na. Do no settle. I settle. I me zokpa na settle. Na settle ya. Agwa me ya na wo ati ete ohun tan.
Because no ya mu we.
Ege omu we.
Many of them go. You may call in the life with you with the but no na.
Ege omu we.
Eh mama.
Ege omu we won a settle ya. Ka we se. Wala wo a settle ya. Ete ohun tan. Hello.
What you refer to?
O site we.
Mommy, why settle me now? But I'm getting that come out.
Emma. It getting no one. We should wear your wear it. Below here. Only will maybe we am robber. If you ever take me to say I'm robber, you don't be robbing. That kind of money will know my sister. Because a man, anyone you go. So you always say that is beer. The main man was this man is short and you would need to.
You know, good send the Harry away family don't know you go or see another way to big bag as sitting no you go no munia that's you go queen ya amune no munia. Oh yeah, go on.
My green said to her money or I don't see any or marketing old sick then in my can because you didn't need the warning. You need day where come what over no papa where then they go to our pain here. Because you didn't need to go. You didn't need any hope. So it then is now for me. Even though say ways to share say for me, I prefer where you are all that. Where is the right thing here? You understand? So that you will get right. If the matter won't boss, make the boss. Now what is your baby that one?
Yeah, my when I read me, every year one more cutty. Oh, when I do me, or Joe, I might have you an if I know be now. If I know be
but mommy, if we knew any man Emma, not the time.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully